kutoka Kiambu.
Naam, kutoka Kiambu tuzamia hili ambapo watetezi wa haki za binadamu jijini Nairobi wanaitaka serikali ya Tanzania kuwaruhusu raia wa kigeni kuchunguza matukio ya kabla na baada ya uchaguzi mkuu uliopita. Wakizungumza wanahabari ama katika kikao cha wanaharakati hao mapema leo kutoka shirika la Pan African Network wamesema kwamba kuna upungufu wa demokrasia katika bara la Afrika na kuunga mkono mpango wa Tanzania kufanya maandamano kuanzia kesho hadi kesho kutwa. Maandamano hayo yananuia kutafuta haki kwa walioaga dunia na kutiwa mbaroni katika kipindi cha uchaguzi uliofanyika Oktoba.
And SADC must urgently intervene to prevent further repression and allow stakeholders to engage in meaningful dialogue. SADC and AU must invoke its protocol on unconstitutional change of government to call for urgent reforms, restore normalcy and human rights observance by, among other things, brokering an inclusive interim administration and to allow for a truth and justice mechanism towards holding of fresh elections in compliance with national and regional standards for elections.
Across Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya, we are witnessing a systemic decline in democracy, rise in authoritarianism, family rule, and dictatorship, shrinking of civic space, violent repression of dissent, erosion of the rule of law, capture of independent institutions, and the normalization of state violence against citizens.
Unfortunately, the patterns that we're seeing across the region are also being borrowed, learned, and influenced and supported by the Ugandan government, which we can already see a lot of violence. We can already see a lot of repression. I believe it's above 600 people who have already been arrested and detained during this month and a half of campaign period so far, during the maybe 2.5 months by now. But that's only the numbers that have been documented. There's far beyond that. Uganda does something similar also to Tanzania, which is enforced disappearances. So there are people who are held, who are detained in illegal torture, military barracks, and then they come out and say they don't have them.
Na eneo la Barago